You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're talking about something no one wants to face, but everyone should be prepared for. What to do if something goes wrong during your move. At SDC, our goal is perfect relocation. But the truth is, international shipping comes with many hands, many checkpoints, many miles. So if something does arrive damaged or missing, what happens next? The first step is documenting your inventory. This is especially critical for all risk coverage. Our teams carefully log, label, assign values to each item, creating a paper trail that supports custom clearance and any future claims. If your shipment arrives with issues, the clock starts ticking. You need to note damage on the delivery receipt and take clear photos immediately. Then contact your relocation coordinator because we're here to help every step of the way. We're going to assist you in submitting a formal claim to the insurance provider, supplying all required documentation. This includes inventory, receipts if available, photos, and a detailed description of the issue. The goal is quick, fair resolution, and our team is trained to advocate for you. For total loss claims, the process is slightly different. You'll need proof that the entire shipment was lost or destroyed. While that is rare, we've handled those cases too, and we know how to support you through them. The good news, most claims are processed quickly and resolved fairly. And our clients often tell us that having the right coverage and the right provider made a difficult situation manageable. A well-handled claim is about more than paperwork. It's about reassurance. When something unexpected happens, you want a team that takes care of it quickly and professionally. In our final episode of this series, we'll bring it all together and show you how to plan your move with confidence. So are you ready to start your journey? Call us at 877-339-0267, or you can visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com, and speak with a relocation specialist today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.